If you want to grow your personal brand on YouTube, then you've landed in the right place, because we've created this community just for new YouTubers who want to grow their YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and monetize their YouTube channel with educational based long form content. If that's you, then this is the perfect place for you. This community is not for those gamers, the entertainment channels, and anyone who only wants to focus on shorts. We're all about creating long form videos that actually help people. So if that's you, then let's jump inside the community and let me show you what it's like inside. So we have a really active community, and it's a positive vibe place because everyone is creating videos, sharing it, and growing together. So it's a great place to get friends and accountability to be able to grow your YouTube channel. You can get feedback from everyone on your videos, on your thumbnails, and on your titles, also helping you decide what are the best video ideas for you to make next. So that's what the community is all about. In the classroom, you will see that our courses unlock at certain levels. So start here is a little onboarding so you can see what to do. And when you first join, I'll send you a message with a link to book an onboarding call with me. Now, there are only limited spots available for these onboarding calls. So as soon as you get this message from me, once you're inside the community, make sure that you book a call as quickly as possible so that we can jump on a call and I can chat to you about your channel and we can go through how to pick the perfect niche. And that's the course that unlocks at level 2. To get to level 2, all you need to do is get 5 likes from your comments or posts inside of the community. It's really quick and easy. Just go and comment on someone's video, give them some feedback, give them some positive vibes, or comment on my latest post and we'll come and give you some likes. At level 3, you get the YouTube Quick Start Guide, which is a great way to get you going quickly and growing. At level 4, you unlock the fast track to monetization. And that's showing you how you can monetize your YouTube channel as quickly as possible. And we walk you through a channel that we created in 12 months and made $50,000. At level 5, you get an endless YouTube ideas workshop with me, one-on-one, and it's a great way to find the right kind of ideas for your YouTube channel. At level 6, you get a one-on-one coaching session with me where we go in depth into the strategy for your YouTube channel and how you can grow as quickly as possible. Then at level 7, you get access to the live recordings from our premium YouTube community, which is super valuable because you can see a behind the scenes of how these guys are growing their YouTube channel so quickly. At level 8, you get access into our YouTube premium community, which is a premium community. So you really want to engage in the community and work your way up in order to get this kind of access. It's really exciting. And then at level 9, you can come out and visit South Africa and we will go to a game reserve and do a 2-day YouTube mastermind strategy session together. Great place to get to level 9 and start unlocking those amazing bonuses. So who am I and why should you listen to what I have to say about YouTube? So I'm Carl Bro from the YouTube channel Carl Bro because I've built my own channel that is a personal brand. A lot of the other YouTube courses I've seen out there and communities on school, the guys are teaching how to build a personal brand, but they actually haven't done it themselves. So we only teach what we have done and achieved ourselves. And we are teaching from 5 million views, and we have published over 500 videos on our YouTube channel. And that's really what we want you to do. We want to help you create videos while saving time. We don't want you to spend too much time having to produce every single YouTube video. So we 80-20 everything and focus so that you can get the most bang for your buck and grow as quickly as you can with the limited time that we have available to invest in our YouTube channel. So that's what we're all about. If you're interested in building your personal brand on YouTube and growing with educational long-form videos, then this community is for you. And we cannot wait to see you inside. Once you join, you'll get a message from me. with a link to join and book an onboarding call. So make sure you do that as quickly as possible so that you can get one of the available slots. And then I can't wait to jump on a call with you, meet you, and talk to you and strategize for your YouTube channel so we can find you the perfect focus for your channel so that all the effort and investment and time that you put into your YouTube channel from the start is worth it, and we can grow your YouTube channel as quickly as possible. YouTube is the best opportunity right now, so let's get started together and start growing together. I'll see you on the inside.